Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about the latest update on Project Hope. For those of you who have been earning on this platform and withdrawing on this platform, there is a new update I feel like I want to share with each and every one of you participating in this project. And it is very, very important you watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any line, because at the end of this video, we are going to, know the current update on this platform. If you are comfortable with it or you are not comfortable with it. As for me, I am not comfortable with it, and that is the reason why I am making this video, so that let it not be as if we are wasting our time or nothing. Okay, so guys, before we proceed, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this channel is all about business. So if you are new to this channel, if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, first time you're hearing my voice, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share money making updates every day on this channel. So if you're an online hustler, you have interest in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified once we release updates on how to make money online. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section, so you can also join our WhatsApp group for faster updates. Okay, so in this video, I'll briefly explain what this platform is all about and how you make money on this platform, and then the latest updates on this platform. For those of you who might pick interest in earning on this platform, or those of you who might stop earning on this platform, as for me, I am not longer earning due to some reasons, which I will also share with you guys in this video. Okay, now our last month we share this Project Hope. This Project Hope is a Nigeria earning platform which pays you whenever it introduces people to this platform, and it's a very simple task. And then every blessed day when you also sign in, they also give you money. You also earn on the platform for free without any investment. But the current update now, I have warned everyone. When I saw that update, for those who are in my WhatsApp group, I told them that nobody should deposit. And as God may have it, my community, they listen to me, because when you click on agent, you will see the number of people I have here. I had over 682 here, and then my level 2 I have over 2,770, 2,773 here, 73 here. Then I have 765 here as my level 3 team. So, and then you can see all the team deposit, no deposit. Yes, they did not deposit because I told them not to deposit, because when this platform came out newly, at a point there was nothing like this option here to deposit, so they added it newly. And to me, as an experienced online hustler, what I found out is that this platform, they are trying to rip off their community. Maybe they are giving us that money for us to believe that they are legit. You can now see that when you click on warfare, or when you click on home, you will see the latest news. You see team recharge reward. You can now recharge. When they recharge, you earn 12%, 8%, 5%. This one has scam activity be that. I see it as a scam activity. So that is the reason why I am making this video, to still inform those of you who still have interest in joining this platform, that please, on no condition should you deposit into this platform. I have said that, I have warned my community that nobody should deposit. We all know how all this investment platform used to end. When you deposit money today, before you know it, they don't crash. And for you to even see, when you click on Wi-Fi now, you go see. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Sorry, it's loading. You see this option here. You can see low com Wi-Fi. When you view it, you can now see how can platform tell you to invest. Is that not 50,000 naira or thereabouts? That's 50,000 naira. You'll be earning 800 and this thing daily. Then this one 100,000 naira. This one scam activity. So that is the reason why I say no way, nobody should join. And then if you noticed, you discover that the team reward has changed. Before, if you invite anybody on this platform, they will give you 500 naira. If you invite 2 people, they will give you 1,000 naira. You invite 4 people, 4,000. 2,000, sorry. So, but now if you are inviting anybody, it's 200 naira. It's for you to know, they are now bankrupt, they are now broke. So this is another thing you should know. And then from the look of things, I said no, we cannot continue with this. How many people is going to give you? And the minimum withdrawal is 20,000. For how long are you going to keep referring? No. before you can now get up to 20,000 naira to withdraw. That means 2 people is giving you 400, 4 people is giving you 800. Instead of 4 people giving you 2,000, 4 people is now giving you 800. So from the look of things, the platform is now what? They are now broke. And that is the reason why I am saying it, that for those of you who are asking me if Project Hope is still paying or not. No, 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 no. Not like they are not paying. No, listen. If you can actually accumulate this money, this 200 naira till 20,000, when you withdraw it, they will pay it to you. That is it. And then sometimes when you withdraw it, they will tell you that you looted, that you registered a fake account. Can you see? All these things are signs that the platform are broke and nobody is investing. I am so happy that nobody invested. Oh, eh, in fact, I'm against anything called investment because I know their tricks. I've been into this online space for a very long time. I know how they operate, and that is the reason why I can never for once share my community with anything investment, because I already know what they do. So that is it, guys. So you can see nobody deposited. I already showed you guys before. Then again, if you want to continue earning, you can continue. It is your choice. But as for me, legit boss, I am no longer earning. And then I also want to congratulate those of you who were able to cash out when they were still paying 500 naira per invite. Congratulations to those of you. It's not easy at all. Nothing good comes easy. I'm always saying it, but I want to congratulate those of you who were able to cash out with us, because including me myself, I was able to cash out some change when they were still paying 500 naira per anybody you refer to this platform. Unlike now, for how long are we going to refer 200 naira, 200 naira? No, 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 it doesn't want it. And please, guys, I am still repeating myself. Please and please, do not deposit in this platform. Do not deposit. Very important, because if you are depositing, they may run away with your money. And when they run away with your money, nobody to hold responsible. We don't know their physical location. We don't know their office. This one, they have added deposit, is a scam activity to me. This deposit option was not there before. They added it now, added investment that people should invest. We are not investing in anything. Please, if you are my viewer, if you are my follower, I repeat, do not invest, because if you invest, they are going to scam you. Do not invest. We all know how ADK football ended. We all know how poor mining ended. We all know how CBS ended. So that is how this one is going to end. The reason why they are still existing, because people are not investing. They thought maybe when they start giving us those money. Now you can see this kind of thing is the hunter now become haunted. They thought when they gave us that money that we are going to invest, we are going to believe in them without them knowing that we already know their tricks. So that is it. It's always good to have experience, and when you have a coach who will always tell you the truth, you know that you are the right track, because by the time before you get scammed online, it'll be very, very difficult. That's why I'm always saying it. If you are not following me, you are missing a lot. Make sure you are following us on this channel, and make sure you are following us on our WhatsApp group, because what we share is what we are sure of. What we pay us and not what we scam us. That is how we do it here, guys. Thank you if you are watching my video for the first time. And please, a lot of people don't really know the latest updates on this platform, and it will be really helpful to many if you can share this video. Use the share button to share this video so that a lot of people will get to know the truth, because I don't want anybody to put his or her hard-earned money in this platform, because if anybody should put money, they are going to lose it. Please, it's very important. Let us stay out of scams. However, like I said before, if you want to be earning, if you want to continue earning the 200, if you are satisfied with the 200 naira they're giving you per invite, then you can continue with that one and withdraw it when you finally reach 20,000, but it's going to be difficult. So that is the reason why I back out, and I cannot continue, and I will not even advise my worst enemy to continue, because for how long are you going to do it? The platform is now broke, and that's the reason why they changed everything, just like BTTC mining platform. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have another question, the comment section is always open, and I'm always replying to comment. So if you have question, kindly comment below. I'll be there to reply you. Thank you.